So I'm pumped, y'all. I can't wait to try this out. And what better way to test it than with the sponsor of today's video, Redodo. So as you all can see, we have the 12.8 volt, 165 amp hour Group 31 battery. Look at that, 165 amp hours. That's 65% more power than your average 100 amp hour battery. So what I'm gonna get ready to do is take this battery, get up top. We're gonna go ahead and hook our 12 volt water pump into it so we can go ahead and start pumping the water into the RV. You see this 212 watt hours? That's how much you can pull from this battery. That can run most things in our RV, all right? And let's see. There it is. All right, y'all hear that? That's the sound of that pump going. Redodo power. Now let's jump down and see if water coming. Hey. But let's not waste that. All right, guys. 10-year lifespan, 5-year warranty. Right, that right there shows confidence in the product. And one of the things I can say is I love the fact that you have a Bluetooth app. The temperature, the state of the battery, the statistics. I'll be able to look at everything right there from the Bluetooth app. And so far, water pump from tank to RV, plus, thumbs up, digging it. So the RV is full. This thing is pumping really good. Being able to output 2,112 watts, meaning this thing can power most of our stuff in there. I'm gonna get an inverter. Listen, they got just about everything you could ever need, from the inverter to different size battery. So I like them, but if you're unsure, stay tuned to the channel. We're gonna do some more tests.